Hello everyone. So we know that this is life, and in life we cannot get rid of all the ups and downs in our life. So life always goes like this, like a roller coaster. And now since we know that all the situations in our life, either they are controllable or they are non-controllable, then we have to look life from different perspective, because nazare badlo nazare badal jayenge. The way you see creates your life, right? So it creates your life that way only. So now what we need to do, so that we become so strong that except onion no one can make us feel cry, if you want to know that, then stay tuned to this video till the end. So what we need to do is, how do we progress in our life? Actually, what we do for progress is we make different kind of choices, and when we make some choices, what happens is we execute these choices, and then there is a consequence. So what kind of consequence there would be? Either the consequence would be that whatever we have expected, we get that. The another consequence would be whatever we have expected, we get something less than that. And another consequence would be that whatever we have expected, something less would happen, right? So something more, something less, or maybe equals to. But there can be a chance where something like that can happen in your life, which will like turn your life upside down, something exceptionally opposite to what you have expected. So in all four situations, in all four consequences, the very first thing you have to do is accept the consequence the way it is, that it cannot be undone. And the moment you accept that it cannot be undone, you protect your peace. And the moment you protect your peace, now you can use your logical and creative mind together to reduce the hurdles, to reduce the negative energies in that particular moment, and use your logical and emotional, your creative brain in such a way so that you can get back with more strength in that particular situation. So for example, in this all lockdown situation, like everyone is cribbing, everyone is like so emotionally disturbed. So if you have that wishful thinking, if the God has given you one wish, that if you crib for, like for example, for 3 months on a problem, then I will like allow you, I will dissolve that problem by itself, then it's okay. You can proceed with cribbing and negative energy and thinking about the same problem again and again. But if you don't have that vardhan with you, that blessing with you, then in that case just accept the consequence the way it is. So for example, so the situation comes, the formula is any situation happens, so situation plus yani ki accept it, and this will result into a positive energy. And situation and you don't accept it, this will result into a negative energy. For example, there is traffic in your area, and if you accept it, you get ideas how to utilize that time and keep yourself positive and calm. Your intolerance gets enhanced, right? And the moment you reject it, you don't accept that is traffic, how the people are behaving this way, how this person can behave this way with me this person can behave this way. So then what happens is it gets converted into a negative situation, into frustration, anger and irritation. So once you accept the situation, then it results into a positive energy. Another example we can take is, we must have done bungee jumping or maybe paragliding. So when we think life, like whatever is happening, whatever the consequence is just an adventure. So the moment you accept the situation, it becomes an adventure. And the moment you do not accept the situation, it gets converted into fear. Oh my God, what will happen if this would happen, what will happen if that would happen. So it will get converted into fear, and which is a negative energy, and which will paralyze your emotional as well as creative as well as logical brain, and you will not be able to take next action step, right? So another situation we can take is that, for example, during these lockdown period, like few people are getting jobs, few people are getting promotions, few people are getting regular full-time salary, and few people have lost this job. So if you accept the situation that okay fine, that I don't have a job, then you become like, you can take it as an inspiration that fine, within next 6 months I will have to make myself so much skilled that I make sure that from January onwards I earn regular income, or maybe from January onwards, or maybe from October onwards I will get income in some way or the other. And in case if you don't accept the situation, you keep cribbing on it, then you feel jealousy from the people who are around you are getting salaries. So the best formula to deal with any situation, any consequence in your life is accept the situation that now it cannot be undone. And the moment you accept the situation that now it cannot be undone, you protect your peace, and you become now more capable of taking logical as well as creative decision to deal your life wisely. Why I'm saying so? Because I have done that. And the moment there are a lot of people in our life who have that abusive language, and they sometimes they just reach out to you and they lash out on you. So just accept them. They may be ill, there may be some issues, so accept them that they are like that. And the moment you accept them, you forgive them and ignore them. And the moment you do not accept them, you get frustrated, you get irritated, and your that particular moment and many upcoming moments, many other minutes which are coming from the future, they will also get spoiled. So just accept. So any situations happen in your life, accept it, and it will give you positive energy and emotions. And any situation happening in your life, you do not accept it, and it will give you a negative energy and emotion. So just accept the situation, because when you accept the situation, you become internally strong. My friends, strength is not generated by push-ups, pull-ups, and picking up dumbbells. Strength is coming from the knockdowns which life gives you, and you still strengthen yourself, summon up your courage, and get back up. And that strength you can only get once you accept the situation and then move ahead, that what can I do now to reduce the stress, what can I do now to better the situation from now onwards. So my friends, just the formula is accept the consequences. Don't call it a problem, don't call it a challenge, just accept the consequences. I hope I have added some value. Do look introspect into your life, do look inside your life, and do try this accepted formula, and this will definitely bring a positive difference in your life. So with this hope that I have added some value, I would just say that change your views because about life, and look at it, accept it, because this will become adventurous just like a businessman looks at it. And this way you can lead a better life, right? Thank you so much. Stay tuned and stay happy.